Hey everyone, today we are diving into how to create a Gmail account on your phone. Let's get to it. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once you are in the home page, you will see sign in button. Tap on it and tap on Google. Tap on continue. Here you will either sign in to your existing Google account, or if you need a new one, simply tap on create account. Here it will ask if it's for yourself or to manage your business. Choose for my personal use. Tap on it. Now you'll be prompted to fill out some basic info like your name, username, and password. Make sure you pick something memorable but secure. Type it on. Tap on next. Enter your password. Tap on next. Now pick a Gmail address or create your one. Once you have picked a Gmail address or you have created your own Gmail address, tap on next. Now create a password. Tap on next. Once you have entered the username for your account, tap on save. Now tap on the account you created. Tap on next. And that's it. You have now got a brand new Gmail account set up on your phone, ready to use. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and if you want more tips, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell for updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.